So if you want to do hoarding jobs with clean proposals, what you would do is create a proposal and fill out the basic information that you need there. And what I would do, just call it hoarding, I guess, and pick what type of facility that you're doing the hoarding in. It could be residential. Then I would pick just projects only. Click add proposal. And you're going to be doing a one-time project. And I would create a custom project. Or actually, it doesn't really matter. You can pick any of these and just type over them. Or you can create a custom project and create it from scratch. So if you just pick this one and you say whole building or whatever part of the house it's going to be in, save, add project, go to project details, and just customize these. So you would copy, and paste whatever it is for the content that you would want there. So, remove furniture, remove and clean carpet, or whatever it is that you're going to be doing on this particular hoarding job. And then you can just rename it right here. I don't know. Let's see. Biohazard hoarding job, whatever you want to call it. And click save. And then you can go in the price, put in the pricing here. Let's remove the tax and just say whatever you're going to charge. 12,500. Go into your finalized proposal. And then you will see biohazard hoarding job. And then your scope of services would have whatever you copied and pasted into any of these particular areas. So that's how I would do a hoarding job here. And then you can also go back and save it as a template. So you go back here and let's see here, hoarding. Then you can click here, copy this proposal as a template, call it hoarding, click save. And now if you ever have a hoarding job again, what you can do is go back, create proposal, select a prospect or add a prospect that you want to create that hoarding proposal for. Create the proposal, and then up here, you'll have your saved templates, and you go to hoarding, click use that template, name it whatever you want, hoarding for someone else, whatever it's going to be. Add the proposal. And now you have your biohazard hoarding job, and you can put a new price and complete your new proposal.